Hi everybody, in this video I show you how to start mosaic crochet with an oval base step by step. Let's begin with the basics. First, decide what pattern you'll be using and check the stitch multiple. For example, this pink pouch is based on a multiple of 12, while the cushion is worked with a multiple of 8. Next, crochet your oval base. Once the oval is ready, we begin the mosaic pattern. Start with color A and follow the chart for the first round. Step 4. Now join color B and continue with the second round of the pattern. Then switch back to color A and crochet the next round. At this point, the foundation base is complete. Starting from step 6, we move on, and that's where the real pattern begins. Now let's get started with the actual crochet. I begin with the foundation chain using color A. Mine is a multiple of 12 based on the chart I'll be using. So I'm chaining 48 stitches. Now I'm working single crochet stitches, starting in the second chain from the hook. I will make 46 single crochet across the top of the chain. Now we have 46 single crochet. And here's where the magic of the oval begins. In the last stitch, I make 3 single crochet. This creates the rounded ends and lets us continue along the other side of the chain. Now we have 49 stitches. Continue making single crochet along the other side of the chain, just like we did on the first side. Now we have 94 stitches, and in the very last stitch I make 2 single crochet. That brings the total to 96 stitches, exactly double the number of chains I started with. Step 2 is complete, and we are ready to move on to the next step. Now I make an invisible join to keep the seam neat. I place a stitch marker in the last stitch. This helps me avoid making any extra increases by accident. So I'm still working with color A. For this round, I simply make single crochet in the back loop only all the way around. Now it's time to add color B. I join the new yarn and begin the next round, still working single crochet in the back loops only. Now I switch back to color A for the next round. We continue working single crochet in the back loops only. I change back to color B, and this is where the pattern starts to appear. In this video, I just making one round of the mosaic pattern, just enough to show how the transition works and how the mosaic design begins. If you like to crochet a full piece using this technique, you'll find step-by-step tutorial on my channel. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in next video. Bye!